Changing communication. Today, we have various means of communication, but these had not been discovered overnight. This process had begun since the time of early humans and has gradually progressed with time. Communication. Living beings cannot live in isolation. They need to communicate with one another. Communication is a means of expressing our feelings and sharing information or ideas utilizing various medium and channels. For communication to happen, two things are of utmost importance: the sender, the person sending the message, and the receiver, the person receiving the message. We can pass our feelings and thoughts to just one person or to many people using different means communication. Early means of communication. Many years ago, when language was not developed, early humans used to communicate with each other through signs and hand gestures. Later, they began to use drawings on the wall of the caves, beating of drums, etc., to pass on their message to others. They used fire and sent smoke signals to communicate with one another. Gradually, with time, humans learned to speak and thus evolved the language. Development of written speech. Written speech is also a medium of communication. It is a means to represent emotion and language with signs and symbols. It is a tool that helps read the language. Early humans, progressing gradually with different means of communication, realized the importance of writing. It works where memory fails. It keeps the records of the lives of people, and so is a necessary step in the written history of a civilization. Their agricultural practices too required expertise and detailed record keeping. This directly led to the invention of writing. Speeches took the shape of signs and symbols, which evolved into scripts. Different scripts were considered as letters that grouped into an alphabet. In the beginning, people used to write on clay tablets, animal skins, and plant leaves, and later, they moved on to papyrus sheets, palm leaves, and then to paper. Messengers. After the development of the art of writing, people started sending written messages through messengers who could run fast or who knew how to ride a horse. Sometimes, animals and birds, such as pigeons, played the role of messengers. Pigeons were trained to carry messages from one place to another. Messages were tied to their feet, and they flew to far-off places. Horse riders were also used to send messages from one place to another. Modern means of communication. The means of communication used in early times were very slow and ineffective. It took several weeks, even months, to convey a message to its destination, and sometimes the message got lost as well. As the time progressed, modern means of communication developed. These are faster, systematic, more reliable, and well-managed means of communication. Let us study about some of important modern means of communication. Modern means of communication can be categorized into two types. Personal communication. Personal communication takes place between two people, sender and the receiver. Telegraphs, telephones, faxes, and emails are some of the important means of personal communication. The telegraph. The telegraph was invented by Samuel Morse in 1844. People could send messages through telegraph within a short time. The messages were sent in the form of codes consisting of dots and dashes, which were called Morse code. The message took only a few hours to reach its destination. Telegrams were sent through telegraph department. Messages transferred by telegraph could reach at various places within a few hours. In India, Telegram was introduced by the British East India Company in 1953. Currently, it is not in use. The telephone. The telephone is the most common means of communication. It is used in shops, offices, houses, etc. We can directly talk to any person living at any distant place of the world through a telephone. Some telephones are connected by wires, known as cables. Some telephones are not connected by cables, and they are called cordless phones. Nowadays, people carry mobile phones or smartphones with them. Smartphones are becoming popular these days. Apart from making calls, smartphones can be used to connect with the internet, send and receive emails, view pictures, listen to music, and download them. Mobile phones are not connected through wire, but through towers wirelessly. The fax is an instant means of communication. The fax machine is connected to a telephone line, and an exact copy of printed handwritten document, even pictures, are sent to the receiver instantly. The email, the electronic mail, is a very common means of communication these days. It delivers the message instantly, in any part of the world. To receive an email, the person should have a device, such as computer, laptop, tablet or smartphone, an email account, and the internet connection. Mass communication. Mass communication takes place when a message needs to be conveyed to a large number of people at the same time. Newspapers, magazines, radios, televisions, the internet, cinemas, and advertisements are some of the important means of mass communication. The printing press. Johannes Gutenberg invented printing press in 1443. Before the invention of printing press, everything was written by hand. In ancient time, people used to write on papyrus sheets or palm leaves. Later, Chinese made paper. Gutenberg's invention produced books in less time and at a reasonable cost. Gutenberg's Bible was the first printed book. In the world of growing technology, the printing press has improved greatly. Now, there are many printing presses across the world which prints more than millions of books every year. Newspapers and magazines. Newspapers and magazines are one of popularly used means of mass communication. India, as well as most of the countries in the world, has many widely circulated newspapers and magazines. These provide the latest news from all parts of the world. Nowadays, e-newspapers are available that people can read on their laptops, tablets, or smartphones. The radio. The radio was invented by Guglielmo Marconi in 1886. It is a means of mass communication which provides us with different news, educational, and entertainment programs. Every radio station broadcasts different radio programs such as news, music, advertisements, and other important announcements. Some of the popular radio stations are the Radio Mirchi, the Radio City, the All India Radio, etc. The television. The television was invented by John Logie Baird in 1926. It is an important means of mass communication which provides entertainment in the form of education, music, news, etc. Unlike radio, television conveys the message through moving images. Nowadays, almost every home has a television. Some of the most popular channels are the BBC, the Sony, the Star Plus, the Discovery, the DD, the Z, etc. Computers and the Internet. The Internet is the latest and most efficient means of communication which is easily accessible. It is a global network of computers where information on any topic can be easily found. Millions of websites on internet provide a wide range of information. The cinema. The cinema is an audiovisual means of communication. It influences the lives of people. It educates as well as entertains people and also spreads social messages. The government has provided mobile cinemas in villages, showing a number of documentaries on various subjects. This spreads general awareness among the people. The advertisement. Advertisements are published in newspapers, magazines, broadcasted on radio, and also shown on television. These give information about various products and convince the common people about the quality and utility of the products. These are also used to spread social awareness among people. Advertisements are shown on hoardings, banners, etc. Satellites. Scientists have made satellites called artificial satellites. The satellites circle the Earth in the space. These have made communication faster and easier. Through satellites, we can also view television programs of other part of the world. We can watch a cricket match or a football match using satellites as they transfer television signals from one part of the world to another. Artificial satellites are launched into space by a rocket. These continuously orbit around the Earth. Artificial satellites act as a bridge among people around the world. Different satellites are launched for different purposes. For example, communication satellites are mainly used for telephone calls and television broadcasts.